Is it the restreamer that I've lost? Yeah, it's okay. Let me get this back. Should have a buffer in there just in case. Yeah, I'm back on YouTube now, so it's just it ended the stream prematurely, so I'm back now. So it basically means that we've all got to hit that thumbs up button once over again. So be with you in a second, guys, whilst that's consolidating. I do have backup, but it's not sufficient to do all the streams and everything else. So I can actually, I've got my mobile internet backup to get in and out of a trade if I need to. And I wasn't in the trade anyway, so flip jug. That's the thing. I wasn't actually in a trade at the time, so yeah. Still watching. iSpark. Yeah, let's get that like count back up to where it was. Balloon Starlink, yeah. Elon's. Yeah, but I think you were right the first time, Ed. Yeah, well, the worst case scenario is it goes to zero, and I can see how much it's in there, and you know I'm not going to blow. If I'm in a trade and it goes south because of an internet connection issue, it's not going to blow up my account. It might cost me some money, but it's not going to blow up the account. I mean, if I was in 10,000 shares of at $8, that's 80,000. You know, it's not going to blow up my account. It cost me a lot of money if it went to zero, but it's not going to go to zero, you know. No, it didn't. It didn't crash. It just it was the VPN that I was using. It had to switch the VPN, and it cut me off. So everybody that hit the thumbs up button on the last session, do it again. And those of you that haven't hit the thumbs up, get it done. So we have to get that like count back up again to where we were. Sorry about that, guys. I apologize for the internet kicking out. I've got 5 minutes to the open. 5 minutes to the open. 5 minutes to make 2,700 bucks. No, I can't. Not even looking at that. Yeah, that's once the original pop on Assembly Bioscience. It just never. It's never even looked like getting back over the VWAP. So we'll keep an eye on these. I think Sidespark's probably the best contender. Link Holdings. What's going on with that one? Didn't see that. That's clipped through the. Must be a. It's acquisition. That's an acquisition. That's why it crept under the radar. Acquisition, $25 or $26 or whatever it is. Tupperware under the VWAP. Agri-Force under the VWAP. Glue under the VWAP. Yeah, so they're all kind of pulling back. That's the VWAP's a great indicator for that. Why didn't you see my 10k order on level 2? You'd have seen it on the time and sales broken up because I didn't place the order on. You only see future orders. You don't see market orders. And mind you, well, it's not a market order; it's a marketable order. VPN is definitely better for security, Ed, but it's also better for, because I'm cutting out the Philippines infrastructure is a lot of crap. So all the DNS servers in the Philippines cause all kinds of issues. So I've started VPNing through to Australia. No, I don't necessarily use it. Sometimes I do, Alex, but I don't necessarily use hidden orders. What tends to happen is, if you're getting in with a marketable order, it doesn't hit the level 2, it just gets filled. So you only get, if you're putting in an order that's not marketable, then it will hit the level 2 before it gets filled. That's not really an issue anymore. The technology's there that the latency shouldn't be an issue. Yeah, well, trial and error, I guess. $8.12 on that candle. Well, I'm going to switch the scanners over to regular session. Yeah, it shouldn't be frozen. Cedric? Don't you be jumping up stealing my burger.
Need water? More water?
I'm okay for that. Did that for now. Thank you very much.
Looks good, by the way.
Okay. Which one?
Probably get a lot later.
But lot? Good luck. The markets are open. Oh, spreads are wicked on this. Tupperware popping up. Seco. That was one big mover earlier in the month. I think pulling back a little bit. AMAM. Let's have a quick look at AMAM. Oh, that's a big move. 40 cents. Keep an eye on that one. It's yesterday's regular session. I've got to wait for that to clear out. Tupperware making moves. Well, Tupperware went up to rejected the $0.50. It's below the VWAP now, so I'm kind of want to see Tupperware above the $0.50. 250. It's coming at 234. That's Tupperware. Below the VWAP. Gets above the VWAP. I'd like to see it above 250. This opening range is important. Oh, I'll have some burger while I'm at it. Do you still have it? Check your subscription notifications there, Virgo. You should be able to get the link. I know there was some issues with Discord. People lost their access, but you can just get into the same link that you had when you signed up. Agri making a pot. It's big. It's fairly thickly traded in areas. Agriforce. Big seller there at 350. Oh, that's a big move. Hold up hard overnight. Halt it at $1.50. Agriforce making new highs. I did say I wanted to see it over 350. It is. Tell me. More off there. Oh, I thought I got the goal again. We'll try again. Look for an entry. For 831, 829 then on that candle. 840 is what we want. High of day 844. Yeah. Oh well. Up and down like a Brad's night game. Devil horns on the agri. Buying the VWAP for a bounce if it breaks. I'll get out. Is your screen still frozen there, Cedric? Come on, guys. I've just given you how to lose 10k in 10 minutes. That's surely worth a few thumbs up buttons. Less than a third of you. Less than a third of you hit that thumbs up button. Disappointing. Now I know why Ross doesn't stream live anymore, because you guys don't appreciate it. I have to beg every day for you to hit that thumbs up button. Come on, do it. Do it now. Well, yeah, freeloaders, a lot of you. Well, there's 70 odd of you watching, and there's only 30 of you actually hit the thumbs up button. So the ones that haven't, you know who you are. That's all I'm saying. You guys know who you are. No, that's breaking lows now, so I'll let that break lows. I'll look for something that's a bit more reliable. That's moving up, but not on that volume. I agree. No, below the VWAP. Up away. Well, for those of you that haven't hit the like button, shame on you. I'm feeling pretty foolish for actually streaming right now. Only half of you actually enjoy the stream. That's depressing. Well, let's see if we can make some back. Tempest halted to the upside, is it? No, yeah, to the upside. Yeah, it's still not reached the high. It needs to break that high of day. Over $7 for Tempest. We'll be well, Dennis, if only everyone was like you. You can have a pat on the back for being a good boy. There's 26 of you haven't. Hit the thumbs up button, by the way. Revenge trade. I got into Parazone because it's moving up. It broke session highs, new high of day. What's revenge trading about that? I'll be getting out of it if it breaks $3 though. I'm in at 310, so I'm giving it 10 cents. It's 8.5 cents is the range. Spread the 3 cents, so giving it 10 cents is a legitimate. Ah, right, okay, no worries. Spreads is getting a bit crap up here, you see. The volume's just died up. There's the devil horns. Can we actually get any kind of profit on this? I'm not sure. Right now. High of day 314, high of this candle 314. Devil horns, I don't like it. $305, I'm getting out. Yeah, just didn't like that. Let's have a look at Tempest. Tempest did us okay yesterday. This halted at 9:43, 5-minute halt. So that nice double bottom there. Look at that double bottom pattern there. That's lovely. W pattern on the pre-market low as well. So nice, predictable double bottom. Getting in there at 650 would have been a nice entry. Let's see. So this should resume in about 1 minute's time. No crotch cam. No such thing as crotch cam anymore if you don't, if you're not hitting that like button. We're now over 70 people watching this stream and we can't even get up 50 likes. It's embarrassing. Not for me, for you guys. Oh, I missed that move. Nice move too. Flag formation. Bring up. The spreads on this. Next to nothing. VF Corporation. Good volume. It's approaching average volume in terms of relative volume. Okay, VF Corporation gains amid report activists Engaged Capital has taken a stake. So Engaged Capital builds a stake in North Face Fans owner, which is VF Corporation. Fans and North Face that owns. Let's see. Quite a big move that. $1.50. Space of what? 5 minutes. I literally did turn green the other day, funnily enough. I had some sun lotion. I went to a different swimming pool, and I don't know what the chemicals they put in the swimming pool, and it reacted with the sun lotion. I turned green. My daughter turned green as well. I can't even get 7 likes. There's 20 odd of you that sat there laughing, thinking, I'm not going to like it. I'm not going to like this stream, and I can't even get 7 likes off you. If I find out who you are, I'm going to ban you for life. Campus resumed. Increasing volume on this candle, but it's not breaking out. We might get a up to 750 at least. That's coiling at 730. $0.24 on the range, the ATR. Not even at the pre-market high yet. 750 something was the pre-market high, so that's what I'd like to see it up at. Although it is higher than, it is up on the day slightly. What am I doing? Pressing the wrong bloody button. That's what I'm doing. Press the buy button instead of the add stop loss button. Hey, look. It is what it is. Hey, Bobby. Side Spark is selling off, buddy. Do say any green's good green, but that's not quite what I had in mind when my skin was turning green. I had to wash it off. Not without me. Typical. I'll wait for $7. You don't want to be getting at $6.90 because you've got the whole dollar resistance at 7 then. Oiling again at 7.30. So over size sparks over $7 again now. 40 on the ask will do. Well, it takes the bid with it. 35. 43. Yeah, and then side spark testing $7 of support again. Do you know what? I'm just going to get out of that. It's just playing games with me. $7.50 could be interesting over the VWAP. And the topping up there at $7.50. Hey Hudson, how you doing, buddy? But absolutely buy the dip. Absolutely. Consistency is key, 100%. What else is moving? Oh, Tempest. Playing games with me. Tan. NYSE. No volume. Groupon, no volume. PTO, no volume. Vestigent, no volume. The volume's missing on all this stuff. Inverse head and shoulders, maybe. 750 breakout neckline. Best way, get him. Wish I'd listened to my own advice. Get to goal and get a 10k up. Now 6k down. 16k swing against me. I shouldn't have started bragging about getting over that 7-figure net number, should I? Ah, look. It is what it is. Still green on the week. 7k up on the week. That's what you've got to do when things start not quite going your way. You've got to zoom out and look at the bigger picture. It's all about the bigger picture, which is why you don't get greedy swinging for the fences with every entry. It's all about the bigger picture. It's be patient. Live person. Yeah, I don't like the volume on it. Money Hero. 40%. Yeah, I don't like the volume. It's like two volume candles above 10k on the 1 minute chart. I don't like it. Barely one candle above 50k on the 5 minute chart. So yeah, I'll not be jumping in on that one. not breaking out with any kind of venom. Tempest. 5-person. No volume. No volume. I did say it's lower volume. Groupon's the same. Who do we need to? Change some of these volume filters. Let's retest. So the inverse head and shoulders, the shoulder 1 head and then shoulder 2. If it comes back up towards the VWAP, retest that $half level. That could be interesting, but otherwise it's underneath the VWAP, which typically would be selling off. Well, you've got to put it into perspective. People kind of look at it the wrong way. I mean, I've just lost, what was it, 16k to the downside. So I can quickly, just as easily make 16k to the upside if I trade it right. And back up at 10k then. So you've got to have that kind of positive mentality. Is side spark done? It's as long as it, until it gets over the VWAP, yes. It needs to get over the VWAP now. But the volume, look at the volume profiles here. The volume is just not, it's not looking very healthy. It's lower and lower volume. So we need more volume to come in and then it can have a bullish run. But up until we do get some volume come in, probably not. MNY, I just had a look at that, didn't I? Money Hero. It's not enough volume. This is a recent IPO, by the way, from last week. No IPOs today. But this is an IPO from last week. I think it was, but not so much an IPO as a SPAC merger, but all the same. Got some lower price ones that are moving. That's all that's moving at the moment. Is the lower price ones. OPGN's moving up. What's going on there? OPGN has moved up from 90 cents up to $1.25 since the open. Seco. So some of these made big moves last week when Tempest went from 24 cents up to like whatever it was, $9 or something. Seco again, Seco was $1.02 and it's moved up to $1.28. 26-cent moves, not huge, but percentage-wise, it can be. So Tempest. This was a 24-cent stock this time last week. It happens, Robin. Yeah, I used to walk the dog. I still do walk the dog, but you don't want to be walking the dog at midnight. You know, it's 10 p.m. here. It's all dark. No, it's not. It's the Philippines is one of the safest places you'll ever go. It's the only time there's violence is if you're involved in criminal activity. It's if you're a law-abiding citizen, you'll have no problem. In fact, I've seen more violence between expats than I have between locals and expats. It's like foreigners fighting each other after too many beers. I've seen that more than I've seen Philippines getting violent with I mean, let's face it, the majority of Filipinos are like 5 foot nothing. You know, they're all built like Manny Pacquiao. I'd had too much to drink and started fighting a Filipino. All I'd have to do is fall on him. Buying the whole dollar support. Actually, where the VWAP is as well at 698. Why not? I think the most dangerous thing to walking the dog in the Philippines is if she goes in the long grass, she might get bit by a snake. That's probably more dangerous than, you know, you don't have snakes in Ireland. Then Patrick got rid of them all apparently. Done it again. Takes me green on the ticker. Not on the day, but on the ticker. It's struggling at 730, which is why I've scaled out at 730. It's struggling to get over that level. And key resistance. Break even, I'll get it. Over 730 might scale back in, but I need to see bullish action and good increase in volume, because right now I'm not seeing that either. Just gonna get out there. Now, I did say I'd expect the S&P 500 to be a bit more bullish today, even though it started down. It's got a way to get it to 436, but it's bullish action right now. Same with the NASDAQ. I think we'll probably see the rest of the day very bullish across the board. Micro algo making a move. Have a look. No, no volume on it. Overstock's never the most heavily traded. You do get, it had a really good day yesterday, like $2.50 yesterday to the upside. Excuse me, I've still got some drink. Well, TPST Tempest, I made money on it yesterday. I made money on it when it moved up from 24 cents up to $9 or whatever it was. So it doesn't owe me anything. Sun Power. Let's have a look at Sun Power. Sun Power's making a nice move up. And it go green on the day. There is crocodiles. Funny, it's funny you should say that, Brandon. There are crocodiles in the Philippines, but just not where I am. So, certain islands you'll find the Philippine crocodile, but not on this island. Well, certainly not where I go walking, at least. Seco and Microbot all moving up, low price stocks. Tempest trying to break it, not really managing it. I'll wait for it to break that pre-market high. That's usually a bullish signal. There is, which will be a new high of day. What did I press that for? Press that very late. $8.29 is the high halt level to the upside. I wanted to get the break of the pre-market high. I completely missed it. Well, $800. It's better than a kick in the teeth. It's the start of a comeback. We're under 5k now. Did you get a perfect entry? I certainly didn't. I got a worst entry. Perfect entry would have been that top. I mean, 750, break at 750. I was so late to the trigger. On holdings. Yeah, but the range is not great. Considering it's moved up like 5%. Not on great range. There, Kevin. I mean, it's a nice upwards momentum, but I mean, where do you get in now? The range is like 5 cents. The volatility is not, and it's very extended, extremely extended on the 5 minute. So it's had, you know, a whole dollar move to the upside, over $1.10, $1.20 move to the upside since it passed the red green line. But yeah, I'm kind of gutted I didn't manage to get in where I wanted to get in here. Five days, currently 812. Are you not taking DAS to interactive there, Cal? That's a poor fill as well. Very poor fill. $8.94 the whole level. We're a little way off that yet. A 6-cent range. We'll put a 20-cent trailing stop in place. Yeah, well, fair enough. 903 is the hot level now, by the way. Barry Bonds? Who the hell's Barry Bonds? Stopped out there, so back in. 922 the halt level to the upside. I'll test $9 here. Nice. I've made the cushion on that trade for the stop to Okay, we'll get green on today. We'll hit gold today at some stage. That's right. Yeah, DAS. That's one thing I like about DAS. The time and sales is very clear. I mean, it can be, it moves pretty quick, to be fair, on a liquid stock, but you can certainly read it. You can see the size of sales that are going through, and whether they're going through green and red or whatever it is, or how many sales are going through. Got in a new high, broke a new high on this candle, and it's faked me out. See it hold the $0.50. A bit antsy here. I'll trade this. To be fair, it was an engulfing candle. Probably shouldn't have taken the next candle on the 1 minute. Should have waited for the higher time frame. That red was it was an engulfing candle on that red one, so. We broke new lows, so I'm getting out. I'm kind of making it worse myself here. Yeah. Momentous in. Did well for us yesterday. Can we get over $6 here? 5-cent spreads, range 20 cents. Double wick up. Yeah, I was stone cold. Absolutely. I've had a 20K swing against me. sometimes it's not your day. Should have walked away when I was over goal. Got greedy. I'll stick around for half an hour, see if I can't make it up on something else. Hey, look, take the rough with the smooth, Stone Cold. I've had a lot of, probably I've had a lot more rough than I like to this month. Oh, I was out of drawdown. If I'd walked away out of drawdown, I was out of drawdown and I'd broken through that 7-figure net number. So I'm kind of kicking myself now. A little bit disappointed. So now I've increased the drawdown and I'm back under 7 figures for the year, that is. Look at that. Bounced right where I wanted it to. Where I didn't want it to. Bounced right where I got it. For the higher time frame to have 67. I have at 60. Come on, Tempest, you know you want to do it. You did it for me yesterday. Worked well for me yesterday. Let's not be a sulky puss. SciSpark did well for me this morning, and then I gave it all back in interest. Don't you do the same thing? Closing out this 5-minute candle in 10 seconds. It can go. I mean, it's got high day of $9 right now, so it can get to $9 and above. It went up to 9.77. Actually, it was bits of hours. It went up to 11.50 on Wednesday. 9.77 is the regular hours high from last Wednesday. But after hours, it went up to 11.50. So it does have potential to get over $10. Where we'd like it to go. Just the volume's dying out and the range is dying out, and it's just like getting that piggly sideways, not doing anything action now. Consolidation. I hate consolidation trading. Don't do it. Do not do it. I'm a penny off on the ask. There you go. I'm right there now. Can we get the breakout? Looking for a breakout. Let's see. Can we get the move up? No. Going to be a fake out between the spreads right now. Halt level to the upside 929, so way off that. I have to make a new high to get halted to the upside. Halt to the downside 760. Which is where the VWAP is. Be quiet, me uncle. I'm trying to concentrate here, for crying out loud. Needs volume. Lacking that little bit of volume. If you can get over 860 with a bit of volume, we could probably test $9 again. There's 860 on the ask. Oh, we got up to 68. There's 870. No, took 6 cents out of that after slippage. $600. Had the increasing volume on that last candle and everything. I thought, yeah, we might get the breakout, but we didn't. I want to watch the P&L, it's distracting me from the actual price action. Oh, this is me not talking very much is really interesting for the stream. Did we get 50? Oh, we did get 50 likes, 51 likes. Well done, guys. Give yourselves a nice round of applause. Pat on the back. I figured we were going to get, I really thought well, that was, we were going to get $9 on that last breakout. I hate when it's doing this kind of just very low energy sideways crap. How I'm not, this is like 25% up, how I'm not up on this is beyond me. I'm trading it from like down here at $7. Now testing $9, how I'm not up on this is beyond me. Very badly, must have. I'll have to review all these trades. Like just that one big loss, I think. I think I'm done. This is going to be all my gains from yesterday gone. As it stands right now. It needs to bounce on the $0.25, and I don't think it is doing breaking lows. Broke out of that little triangle, narrowing triangle, so I'm just trading on hopium right now, and that's not a good thing. That's not a good sign. I'll probably need to take a breather or something. Lost more on that one than I did on the. So I'm now red on the week as well. Let's see. Anything moving up that's worth getting in on? Nothing at all. Don't shoot. Absolute midget. Absolute. A good girl fart. Hey, Thomas. What's extended on the 5? I'm not sure what you're talking about. Extended on the 5. What, you mean TPST? Nah. I don't think it is. I mean, it's consolidated nicely, so. Yeah, it bounced right where I got out, where I decided, okay, I've had enough, draw the line in the sand, and that's where it's gone up. So it's been doing that to me all the time. It's back in at $0.50. It breaks low. Instead of selling, I'm going to buy. The volume's dying off. I don't know what I'm doing right now. I'm trading this like a complete idiot, chasing good, throwing good money after bad, and that's not part of the strategy. It needs to go. I needs to go. I'm gonna buy that support line. Oh, no, I'll buy early and then I'll add at the support line and then get out if it breaks 820. It could. It could. I probably will if I add to the position. When you get greedy, that's when it humbles you. buying that support line and I'll get out. Yeah, I'm feeling a bit stupid right now. Averaging down from a weak position is not something you should be doing. Yeah, I'm done. Stick a fork in me. I've lost 30k in 2 hours. So, well, an hour and a half. Well, that's not good trading at all. I'll knock that on the head. So now I've got to. We was out of drawdown briefly. So now 20 plus that, so 27k drawdown to recover now on October. Oh no, actually it's not. It was 6,800 in the hole. The drawdown was 992. So a 30k drawdown nearly. Oh, he's trying to kill me. It's my own fault. I was 10k up. So hey, look, I've been in worse situations. We saw me in a worse situation a couple of weeks ago. So I've been in worse situations. We'll see what happens. I'm not giving up hope yet. I've been in worse situations and turned it around, but I'm not holding up much hope now. So we'll be back at it tomorrow and we'll start again. Tomorrow's a new day. It's we had 2 green days in a well, no, we had 2 green days in a row. Let me just have a quick look at my calendar. Did I have a losing day on Friday? I think it was it Thursday or Friday I had a losing day? It was Friday. So I didn't even manage to put a streak together. One green day. Okay, we'll see what happens. I'm bouncing on the VWAP. I'll just give this one last try if it breaks $8. Over $8, I'll give it one more go. It doesn't look like it wants to break $8, so looks like I'm done for the day. Looking very weak right now, so I'm just going to leave that and knock it on the head. Anyway, guys, I'll be back at it tomorrow. We'll do it all again. You know what? Yeah, well, that's it, fuck. It's this month has been like that. I've been up, I've been down, it's been in the negative. It's been a red month. I've not had a red month for a long time, but I'm having one right now. So that's not what I wanted. Not the order I wanted. So 95, below 90, and I'll be gone. It broke 8, and I've got filled at 95, so means I'll be risking 5 cents less. Well, if you're in the Discord, I'll keep you updated. I'll finish this trade first. I used to be the other way around. I used to, pre-market was never good for me. It was kind of a break-even trader pre-market, and then the first hour was statistically, before this year, the first hour of the market was where I made my money. This year it's been kind of 11 till 12, 10:30 till 11:30 really. Break it down. Might cover the cost of the trade, that one. Oh, that's a good question. What time did I take my most profitable trade? Need to go back to earlier this year, considering it was in May. Detailed. So looking at this one, 12:38 is when I took the trade. GDC, May the 1st, 2023, 12:38, $89,918.59 was the total trade. So I got in at 12:38, and that was my first entry. And I rode it all the way up to, well, I'll tell you what, I got in at 12:38 was the time, by the way. So I took a position at $17.93 at 12:38 and traded it all the way up to over $30. $31.72 was my last exit at 15:01. So I'm coming into power. So it's like 3 hours of trading on that one stock. That's my biggest ever trade. Average for in terms of best time of the day. Just give me a second. In total of this year, Robin, for this year